for your videos on YouTube. I know many of you guys have searched this. I have searched it personally when I started my YouTube back 6 months back. When I started with YouTube, I did not know how to put an intro and all that. However, Canva has been the bestest friend for me in this last 3 years where I've started working. It's been 3 years. I am a non-designer. I mean, I'm not a graphic designer, so Canva has helped me in that because you don't need to be a graphic designer. I have few clients. Why I started using Canva? Because I had few clients, freelancing clients. I have a full-time job, but I have freelancing clients as well. So I have to create content for them. I have to create videos for them. I have to create creatives, posts for them on social media, and create ad creatives for them. So there are a lot of things when I have to use a graphic designer. Whenever the graphic designer is not available, I have to do it on my own. So for that I started using Canva. Canva has I just know Photoshop basics, just basics. But in Canva, you don't need to do any course you don't need to understand anything. It's so damn simple. You can start using Canva like this in a quick. I'll tell you how to use it and everything, but today's video is especially for how you can create an intro as well as outro for your video. And so let's begin right to the video. Ta-da! So let's begin. Okay, so the camera is super duper bad, so please ignore it. I'm just filming this video for this camera from this camera, that's why it is this way. And so now actually I'm using this for the recording purpose. This is not my actual camera, so just bear with this because it's my laptop's camera. I can't help it, and I just wanted to be in this video, I mean this while I'm teaching, because that makes a connection. I just don't want people to just see it and they need to have a human connection, so that's why I'm doing this. So I'll just make my screen small. Perfect. Okay, so let's go to canva.com. So this is canva.com. I hope many of you guys are familiar with this website. It is a free tool. However, there are few if you have a premium account, there are few benefits with this. This is my premium account and I'm using it. This is one of my clients' account, but I'm using it for all my social media purpose. And yeah, I love Canva because it has helped me in last 3 years of my career, because I'm not a graphic person. I'm a social media manager. I am into digital marketing, but for few of my freelancing clients, I have to design on my own to enhance their social media. So I use this tool to be because I am not a pro in. I just know basic for Photoshop. I'm not a pro. You can tell me a Canva pro, but I am not that much. But however, I've learned a lot in last 3 years, and Canva has upgraded itself very, very much. So as you know, this video is for YouTube intro and outro. So how you can do it? First of all, you have to create an account on Canva. You can use this Canva for free, so we'll just do that. Then we'll click on this and go to YouTube. So you have to just select and go to YouTube intro. Initially it was just thumbnails, now they have also introduced intro. So we'll click on that. Okay, so there are few templates which you can use for your intro. If you want to create your own, you can do that as well. I kind of like this. Let's see what it is. Let's go inside. We'll just play this. Let's see how it is. This is just 6 seconds video and it has pink, purple, blue concept. So if your brand color is this, so this will work for you. Just need to change the names. Let's play again. Very loud. This is, very huge entry or something. That is intro. And we can see whichever you like, you can choose from your and take it, or else we can do it from the scratch. So 1 second. I'll just check. If I find anything good, I will use that. For my intro, maybe I can create an intro here and use it for this video itself, so that you know how I did it. Okay. So let's create from scratch. I'll see what to do, what not to do. So this will be a blank canvas on which you need to create. You need to implement your own ideas, your own strategy, your own creativity, completely how you want your video to be. You can take some references from YouTube, how people do it, and how you can do something similar, but not copying that, of course. Something similar which represents your YouTube channel, right? I'll just put my brand name. You can just go to text. So first step would be selecting this page. This is a blank canvas. You can add a few more. See if you can see, you can add pages here, right? So for now we'll just put my name, or else you can take can you see beach please? So we can just click on beach please. It looks like some other thing, but it is beach. Okay, I like the font, guys, so you can just take this font and put your name. I'll just put my name on it. Name on it. Name on it. I'm so sorry. Click on 3 buttons. Why ungroup it? Because then you will be able to select each font properly. Now you can select that. Here we are. Now you can select each. Take this properly here in the middle. And then again, and because I had selected 2, so I'm so sorry. You can click on the 3 buttons and click on ungroup. So here you'll separate these both, because then only you'll be able to use it properly. You just separate this, and I'll select this, move it properly, put Shruti. Ooh, nice, I like it. Also, you can change the color for your brand. What is your brand color? Can be your, I really like this font and I'm gonna use this for sure. So in front of Yoni I'm doing it, guys. So okay, how do I adjust this? Maybe like that, maybe somewhere here. Let's see, you just change the color. My brand colors are 3 colors, brown, pink. I'll just show you what it is exactly. These are for a few of my clients. Content, I'm so sorry. So I'll just make this forward, of course. I actually had so these are 3 of my brand color. Actually, I'm not able to put it properly, so that's why I'm not able to select it. And I'll just use. So Canva does this amazing thing. You can actually put your own brand color here. You create a brand color ka thing, and it somewhere it will come whenever you want to use those colors. It's not happening right now. That's why I'm not showing you guys. There's some error, or else you can do. If you upload something, Canva will make it possible that that color shows. Photo colors is an option. So if you want some color, you see somewhere, you want that color to be on your content or something, so you can upload that picture, that color picture, and Canva helps you to take that color. Sorry, here's the camera. Where the hell am I seeing? Okay, so Canva helps you to understand which color it is, and you can use that color. So here, if you can see, I'll just select that. Nice, I like it. And the other color, I may take the lighter one, so I'll use that here. Go to the color section, go down. There is this light pink color. I like it. Then you can remove those colors. It looks good, but there are 2 colors in that. I don't know how I'll be able to remove it. For example, this is nice for now. So this, let's understand this as my logo, maybe. Okay. Okay. Once this is done, we'll add one more page, and we'll actually duplicate this. So we'll delete this, and we'll actually shift this to middle between. Okay, properly. And we'll change the color to some darker color. Maybe the one that I upload, this color looks nice, so we'll just use that in the background photo color. So for now, so now if I play this, actually it will take a long time, so I have to animate it first. So let's just, can you see? It's kind of slow, but nice it looks, right? So there are like beautiful animations which I like. I really like this. I actually will change this color. I'm not very satisfied with the color. Maybe I can use the white. White looks good. And black. Oh, sorry. How about this? I don't know. I'm not liking it that much. We'll just remove this. Okay, and here we'll just put the animation of Storm. So I like talk talk. It is really good. Now that's really nice. So we'll just switch this, and if you want to make it a kind of a video, you can just add some more element. Maybe you can choose it from somewhere here. You want to make it aesthetic. Let's keep moving. Let's see how this is. So there are nice videos which you can use if it is a YouTube. I mean, the fitness related videos you can take from your. Okay, I'll just take like that, which is very aesthetic. So aesthetic, I actually did not get anything properly. So maybe I can use, because this suits my brand color, maybe I can use this. Welcome to my channel, something like that. I don't know. It's good. And we will just beauty made easy, digital mark, social media made easy, or digital marketing made easy. Looks good. Okay, now there's no animation over here, so we'll add few animations. Welcome to my channel. Looks good, right? Fade is also nice. Hannah's rise. So there are like very nice drift, tumble. Tumble looks fine. So you can choose what you want to, add in this. So maybe I'll go with breathe or else this. So now we'll just reduce the seconds from here, because it can be 2 seconds. That's max. I feel looks fine. I can make it 3 seconds. That's it. So now we'll play this and I'll show you guys. Wait. Shruti Suvarna, welcome to my channel. Easy. Something like that. So maybe we can make it shifted back and forth, because I guess it will look better if this was in front. And I'll just remove this part because this is not my tagline, so I don't like it. Then we'll just play this again. Welcome to my channel. This looks good. So this is how you can actually create your intro. Also, you can put more elements, like I'll show you. There are few elements wherein you can actually, there is sticker. This is this was not this was not available before. Now they have added video content and everything. So if you want to add a video, maybe someone doing, I'll just put digital marketing. So this is what my channel is all about. So I'll just put, so if you are a makeup artist and you have your own channel and you want to create something like that. So here, if you just see this, I don't know where this came from. I'll just add digital marketing. Why digital marketing? Because or social media marketing, whatever it is. So maybe or maybe people working on laptop or something, wherein my work is on laptop all the time, right? It's not on phone or anything else. So I can actually use such kind of videos, use such kind of stock videos wherein, it feels like I'm only working, so you can add that in my video. So you can use such stock video. You can reduce the time as well. You can click on the cut button over here. And if you don't want these long videos, you can reduce that. Done. Click on done. Just stretch it out how much you want to. And let's see how it looks. You can use your own creativity, because the first two things I think I'll use it for my own channel. So yeah, so see how real this looks, right? You're only doing it. So you can use such kind of, stock videos which suits your brand, which looks like it is, for example, if you're a makeup artist, maybe something relevant to make up. Let's see if it you need to put, you don't have a specific video for your YouTube channel, so that's something like that. So there are so many. See, nice it looks. So you can take any one of these videos and you can just put your voice over or something. So this is stock, this is free, right? So you can use these videos on, I'll just play this one. So see how nicely she's putting her makeup and all that. So you can use, if you have a YouTube, or you can create something like this, a proper video or something like that, right? So for now, that's what it is. I can put few elements as well. Go to elements. Can you see the sticker options? See all. Click on see all. You can add kind of cute stickers, maybe sparkle. Just type in the what you want. You'll get something similar to that, and you can see how nice this is. You can actually add it over here. See? Wow, I like it. I'll just play and see how it looks. Welcome to my channel, and see how nice. I think I'll use this. It's so beautiful. Okay, so aesthetic, that's what we call it these days. Okay, and I'll see something else if I have. So also, if you want to have an, can you see the makeup thing? People are doing it, so you can use this kind of video, right? I actually like this, yeah. See this type of aesthetic, I really did not create a proper intro from Canva. The whatever I have created, it is from Canva only, but I did not use a lot of, you know, work on that, because I actually want to create a proper intro for my channel, but it will happen soon. Not right now, but hoga. So it will happen soon, and I'm waiting for the day when I might, film a proper video. It will take some more time when my channel grows and all that. Maybe after that I can use it. But for now, I'm really, really happy with this. I might use it for this video itself. So if you find this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section. Also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do subscribe. Also, if you want to create and subscribe now button, we can just click on add page. And what I'll do is we'll just duplicate this, okay? And we'll just remove that sticker from here, and we'll put a yellow, maybe something which is very on your eye. Looks so pretty. Now we'll just reduce the time. That's the step 2. It's already ready because I actually copied the video. So we'll just play. Welcome to my channel, Shruti Swarna. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Really, it looks good. Animation nahi dalungi. I'll just keep it normal, none. Now we'll just play again, so that it just gives you a different. Looks good. Now to downloading the video. Now to download this video, you will get an suggestion of MP4 which you want to. There are few other options. If you just want a picture, you can go for PNG and other stuff. Now you can even create GIF. Here you can even add music. I actually don't mind right now. Maybe something subtle, sweet song. I'm not sure. Let's play this. I like this. Let's play and see. I like the music actually, so I'll use that music. And I am not sure if I should do this. Maybe I may see my some other color I'll put. Ooh, this is nice. It looks bit much more on the eye, right? I'll use this. और इन दोनों को एक ही कलर करती हूँ. Maybe I can make it white or this way or some other black color maybe. Just not happy with the color thing, but ठीक है. Just for this video, I'm doing it for you guys. Welcome to my channel. This one looks fine, no? Okay, we'll just download this. And how to use it, I'll show you guys. Just download both, select both of them, so it will be like a video. Then you can add it on your intro of the video. You can even add subscription, hit like, subscribe, and all that. You'll get this option over here as well. I hope you guys have liked this video. Okay, so I'll just put YouTube intro for now. I have a good intro, but let's see, just for this video, I'll just add this. Okay. I hope you guys have liked this video. Hope it has helped a lot of people in how you can create or how you can make your intro for YouTube or any video, any sort of video on social media or anything. So it's very simple. I hope you guys have liked this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do that. It will help for my channel to grow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.